So you're being asked of quantity, total amount that you need to give to the patient. And how do we calculate this? When you're faced with a prescription like this, you always have to think, I have to give the patient a max amount that the insurance will pay for, so don't short the patient. 1 to 2, which one's larger? 2 tablets, okay? What I want you to do on the every 4 to 6 hours is, every 4 hours, there's 24 hours in a day, so 24 divided by 4 is 6 times. 24 divided by 6 is 4 times. It gets confusing when this is every 6 to 8 hours, but for right now, this is our example. So what do you do? Like I said, always get the max. 6 times is more than 4 times, okay? So now we have 2, which is the max, 1 to 2, times 6, but you have to give it for a total of 20 days to the patient. So 2 times 6 is 12, times 20 is, so 12 times 2 is 24 answer. So you have to give the patient 240 tablets that will last them 20 days based on this SIG or prescription.